Today, human connection and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new web-based entertainment blast, but great many people have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about. However, virtual buy land through virtual monetary forms is a completely original idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost expectation. Decentraland, a virtual wonder. Every one of the resources and land bundles displayed in the game can be bought with the local token, called mana, be it streets or squares. Since the land ownership is an NFT recorded on the decentralized blockchain Ethereum utilizing the ERC-721 norms, adaptability and security arise as conspicuous metaverse game highlights. It's still early days for virtual universes despite the fact that the Decentraland project is explicitly conceptualized to draw in players who have matured out of the kids' game. For the teens and youthful grown-ups who look for more profound human associations dependent more on mingling and executing than on expedition. In January 2022, Decentraland made a stride further to point mass reception, facilitating a total virtual inclusion of the Australian Open tennis competition beginning from January 17, melding metaverse and reality, giving the experience of live transmissions, everyday POAPs, and some more. Let's plunge further into Decentraland mana value expectation and specialized investigation. Decentraland, establishing the groundwork. As the quickest developing virtual world, Decentraland was created by an Argentinian gathering in 2016 by Esteban Ordano and Ariel Malik with CEO James Ashton. Decentraland has brought $25.50 up in subsidizing from 6 high-profile clients. It incorporates Animoca brands, Lyft VC, Texture Adventures, Beginning One Capital, Key Labs, and George Burke. Decentraland's engineers have taken an exceptionally insightful and light gave way to deal with building the game's essential layers. New tasks and organizations in the cryptographic money market are now in progress to make this computerized world a refined and connecting with substitute reality, which will probably become omnipresent and habit-forming. Adding to a virtual world, say ideal world, computerized land is one of the such ventures open doors worth considering. Financial backers make certain to profit from this augmented simulation stage-based economy, learning and assembling thrilling encounters. No big surprise, a combination of workmanship, create supported by music and designs makes certain to make Decentraland an exceptionally elective and rewarding venture device. Decentraland value forecasts, market feeling. Going by the specialized investigation, Decentraland cost has had a noteworthy journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the basic role for its prevalence as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital money remains at the worth of $3.04 with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47 with a 24 HRS exchanging volume of $1,231,753 with a flowing mana supply of 1,832,129,198 mana, and in most recent 24 hours the Decentraland cost has been changed by 6.09%. The specialist's mana cost investigation and Decentraland mana value forecast should be visible as underneath. Market specialists have 2022 value expectation of $5.30. This mana estimate addresses a move of 86% this year. Moreover, while the opinion encompassing the mana crypto has been profoundly negative before, the wallet financial backer expresses that mana is supposed to offer 450% return for capital invested by 5 years to Decentraland financial backers. The mana cost is estimated to reach $3.39 by the start of February 2022 according to our cost expectation. As per Decentraland cost expectation 2022, the normal greatest exchanging cost is $3.43. The base exchanging cost of mana tokens is $2.33 in 1 year. The Decentraland for the finish of 2022 is $3.45. As per our mana crypto expectation, the coin could triple in the following 5 years. It ought to have a reasonable bulk on around $8 to $9, making it a drawn-out wise speculation. The typical cost is supposed to stretch around $6 by the following year. As per the new long-haul conjectures, Decentraland cost will hit above $4.54 toward the finish of 2022, $6.50 toward the finish of 2023, and $12.82 toward the finish of 2026, which will make mana a wise interest from now on. As per mana Decentraland cost forecast 2024, the cost will leap to $6 in the primary portion of the year. Mana coin cost forecast done by specialists predicts that during the principal half of 2022, the cost can ascend by 46% and 120% in the following 5 years. Beating all obstacles, Mana is set to hold a benchmark for its presentation, drawing in a significant financial backer local area outperforming all assumptions concerning by and large development. The Decentraland cost expectations for coming years is recorded underneath. Decentraland Value Forecast 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the digital money market, Decentraland token is good to go to support serious areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive Mana figure and future market capitalization, the street ahead is loaded with petals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Decentraland cost, taking it to cross all obstructions, scaling above $4.80 in the market of the crypto according to our fair-minded crypto gauge for the year 2022 Decentraland Mana cost expectation. As per the ongoing value pattern and figure, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire huge benefit from here on out. Decentraland gauge by specialists proposes contributing at the ongoing value level might give impressive revisitations of merchants in the close to term, and they would have the option to go with a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell Decentraland. As indicated by the cost expectation for Mana, the crypto cost will reach $5.10 by 2022. The anticipated Decentraland cost can additionally ascend to $5.80 by the December. Market investigators figure the Mana to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of composing. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. Decentraland has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. In view of our Decentraland cost figures, these highlights can help the Mana token increase a lot greater cost of $6.70 in 2023. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush according to our Decentraland Mana cost expectation 2023. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. Examining Decentraland Mana cost expectation for the year. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has plans on. There are not many Decentraland gauge that the Mana cost might reach $8 in the crypto market. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. Decentraland is additionally dynamic in local area drives and through which we are hopeful about the Symbolic's future development as far as various elements like costs, volume, overhauls, and so on, taking into account they keep up energy gathering a huge market capitalization. Their drives with an emphasis on training, effort, and advancements. According to Decentraland cost expectation, Mana token might cost to an apparent degree of $10 post beating the mental opposition level as its drawn-out cost in 2025. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that all markets turn good, in 2026 Mana, a computerized resource is set to break all hindrances and perform richly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. Mana would definitely give indications of fortune for its clients according to our impartial crypto figure. As per the future cost forecast, according to the Decentraland cost patterns and verifiable information, the Decentraland cost may effortlessly contact $12.50